A little bit earlier today, Larry emailed me that this Sony Dream Machine Auto Time Set ICF-CL75iP, what an amazingly creative, notable name, that this new alarm clock, which works with the iPhone and the iPod Touch, and in fact the entire iPod family, was actually available finally. He'd actually showed it to me, a blurb about it when it was first announced, and it looked pretty great. And now it was out, and he told me that he had one coming home. His wife was picking one up, and that when he got off work tomorrow that he would have one waiting that he would unbox. Well, I went out and got one first. So I thought we would take a bit of an unboxing of this item. It looks like it's really, really interesting, really cool. This is what's in the box. So if we open it up, we've got the AM antenna. We've got operating instructions for the device. We've got the AC adapter. AC adapter, which apparently is connected to the device itself, and we have the device. Let's get this other stuff out of the way. Also in with the instructions, we also have, I believe it's 2 of the universal dock connectors. My suspicion is that one is for the iPhone and one for the iPod Touch. I have my iPod Touch right here, so this isn't it. This looks like this is it, that this is for the iPod Touch, and my suspicion is that this is for the iPhone. We'll try that out later. Let's get down to the device itself. Not a very exciting packing job, but that's okay. There we have it. Let's get this off of it. There we have the clock. Let's zoom in a little bit. It's got a 7-inch display. To deactivate the demo mode, okay, we don't have to worry about that right now. So it looks like a very nice screen. If we look on the front here, it has the alarm set, off, reset, it turns it off. We have the sleep button, the alarm set button. We have the home button. We have the back or the iPod menu button. We've got this 4-way controller, enter in the center, tuning up and down, and presets left and right. We've got a display button. We've got an option button. We've got a radio band button, a button for using USB memory, accessing the USB memory, USB or the memory, and we've got the iPod or the iPhone pause start. On the front we have the speaker. Over here we have alarm on off, and over here we've got alarm B on off. Looking at the top of the device, we have just the information about it. We've got what obviously is a snooze button, and we've got volume controls right here. Going around to the back, we've got an SD slot. Over here we've got a USB slot. This is for putting in the AM antenna. And that's really the device. Now, the piece de resistance of this particular dock is over here, which if we take off the tape, what happens is that it slides out like so. And when it has slid out, if we can put it down, when it has slid out, you can actually take the universal dock, and you can put your iPod Touch right into it. Pretty nice. We're going to change the camera angle and actually start this up and see how it works, and we'll experience that for the first time together. This is one of those products where it really does help if you actually read the instructions, which I will do when we're done with this quick overview. But let's go over here. Here you see you've got music, video, background photos, radio, your iPod or your iPhone. You can import to the built-in memory, which is, I believe, a gigabyte of memory. You can have a fun wake up, which is where you can actually record a message to yourself or someone else can record it. Your alarm settings, your clock settings, and your general settings. The screen is beautiful. It really is a beautiful screen. It's what you'd expect from Sony and expect from a premium product. And this is a premium product. This is $140, $150 for a clock radio. But it's much more than a clock radio. Let's see what happens when we do video. So it says internal memory card, or USB. I want to actually go back, and I want to go to the iPod, and I'm going to do enter. And now it's asking me, do I want to do music or do I want to do video? I want to do video. And wow, that's slick. That's really slick. And let's play this. Shall we? Let's.
Second, Bonnie. We're too late.
A new CSI New York, Wednesday, only CBS.
If you were a candy man with
And this is video on a 7-inch screen. So basically, it takes my iPod or my iPhone, and it really lets me watch it beautifully. This is, I'm already convinced, this is the type of product that you want next to your bed. Let me turn on the volume. It's already clear to me, this is the type of product that you want next to your bed, but it's actually a little bit wasted next to your bed. This is the type of product that you may want next to your computer in your home study, so that you can actually watch along the way, or especially on your desk at work if you wanted to. This is really slick. Larry, you did me right by recommending this. This is a great